Just look at the difference guys. इस 80 रुपीज की डिटेन ने मेरा सारा टाइम रिमूव कर दिया सिर्फ एक ही यूज में। ये मैं हाफ फेस पे लगा रहा हूं ताकि मैं आपको डिफरेंस दिखा सकूं। इसको 15-20 मिनट रखने के बाद वाइप इट ऑफ गाइस एंड ये देखो रिजल्ट्स। सारा टाइम गॉन इन जस्ट वन यूज गाइस। सबसे बड़ी बात ये D10 पैक सारे नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट से बना है एंड देयर इज नो ब्लीचिंग एजेंट इन इट। दिस इज TNW's फेस पैक एंड दिस कैन बी यूज्ड 4 to 5 टाइम्स एंड पर यूज आपको ये सिर्फ 80 रुपीज का पड़ेगा।
I actually sent myself on my private account this reel. I was like, I'm gonna later on make a reel calling this out. Okay, I saved 2-3 of their reels because I was like, yeah, this is like a consistent pattern that I've noticed. So before I could actually shoot this reel, however, a much larger creator called Global Beauty Friends, she noticed this. She called him out in her stories. She put this reel on her stories and called the fact that he's using foundation, etc. and tagged me in that story, saying something to the fact that I need to call this out. But I could never see the story. You know why I could never see the story? Because I believe this content creator saw my name and had the guts to block me. Now, why a person who is being so honest would then go ahead and block me? Why? If you notice in some of his videos, since he is using a foundation and he's not properly evenly applying foundation towards the edge of his hair, like on his hairline, you can see his actual complexion showing up.
Just look at the difference, guys. आप difference देख रहे हो? टैनिंग इस 160 रुपीज के फेस वॉश ने मेरा सारा टाइम खत्म कर दिया सिर्फ एक ही वॉश में। तो मैंने ये फेस वॉश हाफ फेस पे लगाया था और ये देखो डिफरेंस। सिर्फ 160 रुपीज का फेस वॉश है। लिंक चाहिए तो कमेंट कर दो 10। तब तक के लिए मैं अपना पूरा फेस टी-टैन करके आया।
I came across multiple videos where the format is exactly the same, wherein he will bring out different products, all of which have the same de-tanning claim, and he'll be like, look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. He'll be applying the product exactly on one side of his face, which is usually his right side, and he'll be like, look at the difference. And this is where I have a question. Sir, how is it so conveniently आप सिर्फ इसी portion of your body में tan हो रहे हैं? Never on your hands, never on your ears, never on your neck. Just this portion of your body is getting very conveniently tanned, where you can apply products and sell stupid products to your consumers. How is it? Second, I am pretty sure, I'm like 99.99999% sure he's using a foundation / tinted moisturizer of a darker tint to fake the tan, so that when I apply a stupid product on one side of my face and then I remove that product, there is that real complexion that is going to come out and that drastic contrast. Oh, that's such clickbait. That's such a good way to get people to sell the product. So I'm pretty sure that's what he's doing.
D10 स्किन केयर रूटीन फॉर 1 मंथ, वो भी सिर्फ 400 रुपीज में। ये फेस वॉश जो आपका सारा टैन रिमूव कर देगा। नेक्स्ट है ये ग्लो सीरम जो आपके फेस पे एक इंस्टेंट ग्लो लेकर आएगा। नेक्स्ट इज दिस मॉइस्चराइजर जो आपके फेस को ब्राइट करेगा। एंड लास्टली ये D10 सनस्क्रीन जो आपके फेस से सारा टैन रिमूव कर देगी। डिफरेंस देख सकते हो गाइस आप।
I noticed that 2 products that he's applying on his skin are not even the products that he's suggesting. Like the vitamin C serum that he is putting on has like a silver rim on it, whereas the one he's suggesting has an orange rim to it. Then the sunscreen that he's applying, I'm like 90% sure is a deconstruct sunscreen, whereas the one he's suggesting is a fixed derma sunscreen. So it's just minor things that overall gave me a very shady vibe.
ये 130 की क्रीम इंस्टेंट डिटेन करती है क्योंकि इसमें सीरम और मॉइस्चराइजर दोनों है। ये क्रीम आपके फेस पे इंस्टेंट ग्लो लाती है और ये एक ब्रांडेड क्रीम है और सिर्फ 130 रुपीज की है, काफी बजट फ्रेंडली। डिफरेंस देख रहे हो? इंस्टेंट ब्राइटनेस एंड ग्लो।
He has the same format for all of his de-tanning. Look at these guys. Oh my god, look at the difference. Look at it. यहाँ पर मैं पहले कितना काला था, यहाँ पर look at me, I am so fair, and he's applying foundation. It's a foundation. It's a darker tint foundation.